Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 Custom. This specific Silverado is a double cab, standard box, four-wheel drive vehicle. For the month of July, Apple is offering over $8,000 in savings to all its customers. Plus, well-qualified buyers may qualify for 0% APR for 60 months. This specific Silverado has a 4.3-liter V6 engine and 20 by 9-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it does have cloth seating with your all-weather mats. It does have your stand-up middle seat, your brand new Chevy MyLink radio, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.